Ugh, pants were invented for men, not women. It's impossible for a woman to wear pants, like jeans, yoga pants, dress pants, leggings, dungarees, etc., without sexualizing her body, since they highlight her legs, curves, and rear end. Women who want to be modest should not own pants at all. Ooh, that's a lot of words for nobody will screw me. I don't understand, what does he want them to wear? Like, he just listed everything. Hey everyone, my name is Jake and welcome to Clever Comebacks, where we're going to be looking at comebacks which you can't recover from, because they're so clever. Like, no one's replying to these. You're just done. You're gone. Enjoy. Congrats, Tom. You've posthumously earned an unfollow. Your family should be proud. Whoa, Twitter isn't an airport. No need to announce your departure, you know? You could just unfollow. I don't care. Replies to Neil's comment on WTVR CBS 6 News' post. Oh, how about all lives matter? Ooh, French, you gotta sit this one out, bro. Former Henrico middle school teacher, guilty of, Neil J. French was found guilty of this misdemeanor. Yeah, I agree, he should sit that one out, like, that's mad. Donald J. Trump says, the silent majority is stronger than ever. And then he replies to himself a day later with, so true. Wow, he finally found someone that agrees with him. I don't understand why he's replied to himself with so true. Like, if it was like a year later or something, he was like re-quoted it, but it was a day after. If a vaccine for the coronavirus gets released, me and my family will not get it because it will probably give you mental retardation. Hashtag anti-vax, hashtag anti-vax mom, hashtag vaccines are over party. Ooh, looks like you didn't need vaccines to have mental retardation. I mean, the name is Susan, like, it's a Susan. You're either a Susan or a Karen, you're gonna say this. Katie Hopkins, this is how it feels to be a white conservative woman. Ah, perfect analogy, because that's not a real target and you've put it there yourself. She got banned from Twitter, didn't she? Rip. Ha, love these dying-heart liberals. Lockdowns killed more people than they saved. Oh, I saw a dog wearing a sombrero on a skateboard being towed behind a dog riding a bicycle, quacking, she'll be coming round the mountain, since we are just making stuff up and posting it. Okay, aside from like the fake news thing, it'd be really cool to see a dog wearing a sombrero being towed by a duck. Like, that'd be kind of cool to see. You gotta admit, right? No matter what your stance is. Ha! Okay, bootlicker. You keep talking, I'm gonna suck you so good, you'll fall in love with me, then I'll cheat on you and marry your father, which will then make me your legal guardian. Then I'll ground you from Reddit and only buy you off-brand Lego sets that get stuck together too easily for Christmas. Jeez, I didn't know we were evil. Gah. There is a guy in front of me with a Iraq veteran plate frame, so I yell out my window, thank you for your service. He yells back at me, thank you for paying your taxes and putting me through college. Not what I was expecting to hear. I was so confused at first, I was like, wait, that's not a comeback. But then, yes, some comebacks can be positive, I guess. When a guy tells me he owns a gun, I'm like, uh-oh, what's wrong with your pee-pee? Well, last time I tried to use my pee-pee on a home intruder, I got in way more trouble. The cops were pretty upset. The intruder needed counseling, and I'm on a list. Just use a gun. Yeah, you've got to be scenario specific, alright? If Christians read the Bible to get closer to God, what do atheists read to further intensify their non-belief? Oh, the same, actually. Yeah. The city of Magnolia will require residents to wear masks in public beginning Monday. Tickets will be issued to people over the age of 10 who do not wear masks. We've already gotten several angry messages. Just to clarify, this has nothing to do with COVID-19. We just don't want to look at you. Wear a full face mask. Some of y'all haven't waxed since March. Nobody wants to see eyebrows gone wild. Masks aren't for you, they are to protect everyone else from seeing your mum's goatee. It's gotta be a fake account, but imagine if a city actually came out with that. Like, they have every right to. They'd be like, oh no, you can't go in public anymore without the mask, just because we don't want to see you. If they have the right to fly theirs, we deserve the right to fly ours. If they have a right to promote love and inclusion, then we deserve the right to spew hate and bigotry. Is that what you're trying to get across? No, not at yeah, it is. Oh, I just made some synonym rolls. Yeah, just like Grandma used to make, right? Wait, you're actually Rick Astley though? Really, Rick Astley? Yes! I think I might cry. It's actually you. I met you at a backstage event when I was 12. Seriously, a big fan. I've seen you in concert 5 times. Really, Rick Astley? Well played. See that link right there? That's a Rickroll. Haha, good team. The Korean guy speaks some Korean. I don't speak Nintendo. The Korean guy. I don't speak McDonald. I mean, technically, you do speak McDonald's because you just spoke McDonald's in order to say that you don't speak McDonald's. It's not a bad thing. Like, speaking another language, that's good. I bet the other guy doesn't speak Nintendo, does he? No, he had to speak in McDonald's to say that he didn't speak Nintendo. Ah. Hey, is this Hannah? No, sorry, wrong number. I was in Kent, Ohio, at the Bar 157 Lounge. Are you sure this isn't Hannah? Yeah, I'm a dude, and I'm pretty sure my name isn't Hannah. She gave you a fake number. Sorry. Oh, screw you. I got to hook up with 2 hot sorority girls last night. They were both super hot. You were probably at home jerking off because you're a loser. You wish you were like me, don't you? I get any girl I want. They beg for me. Haha, you loser. Except Hannah, apparently. Yeah, she gave you the fake number, bro. Still didn't forget that. Weirdo. Why'd you like my pic from 2017? Oh, I'm not weird. You just haven't looked good for a while. Oh, that's a good comeback. I mean, liking it by accident when you're scrolling through it, yeah, I'm gonna keep that in mind. Aw, rip mum. Keep your head up. I have a boyfriend. Okay, I have a mum. What are we just lifting off family members and friends and stuff? Men, what's preventing you from looking like this? Danny Phantom. Men go ghost on you all the time. What are you saying? Oh, she's gonna be reading that going, huh, maybe he's right. As a new book alleges Donald Trump thought Finland was controlled by Russia, Finnish authorities say, to be fair, they thought the same about him. Hey, everyone's just got a mistake, I guess. Huh, she might have screwed him in the bed, but he screwed her in tennis. Her posture was all wrong. She didn't even swing the bat correctly and laid the right foot when the ball approached her. I'm sorry, but this is unbearable. Yeah, okay, but you just called it a bat instead of a racket, so who are you to judge? I mean, if it was a bat and not a racket, then they've got a point, because it's pretty hard to play tennis with a bat and not a racket, so does that kind of like defeat the point? I'm not saying climate scientists are stupider than me or anything, we both know they are, but they get paid to believe in this stuff. It's in the name. Climate science. If they turn around and say, actually there's nothing to see here, then they stop getting funding. So, obviously, they're going to propagate their story. And your CO2 point doesn't make sense. How can the Earth be in perfect balance, but a tiny bit more CO2 is gonna ruin everything? Well, I mean, look at the damage one extra chromosome has done to you. A little damage can go a long way. Ha! Guess what, losers? I got onto the elite side of TikTok. You didn't. Wow, about a year ago, I was invited to attend a space camp at NASA. It was extremely interesting. Despite being very secure, we had to give proper identification, give our fingerprints, and sign 6 consent forms. But after all that preparation, we were finally allowed to enter. I met astronauts and many astrophysicists. They described how it felt to be in space, and I saw a prototype of the Mars rover. However, the attraction that caught my eye the most was a live feed that came from a camera on the International Space Station. I watched it for hours, and even with a view of the entire world, I still couldn't find who asked. Are we done here? Yeah? You're not gonna say anything? Okay, good. You don't have to do anything illegal for $500. You could literally stand on a corner and panhandle for that amount of money, or mow 10 lawns. Illegal is cooler. So steal a lawnmower and mow 10 lawns then. Haha, I've stolen your lawnmower and mowed your lawn. Now you have to pay me. But who the frick is paying a 17-year-old $50 to mow their lawn? Yeah, I agree with that. Like, that seems like so much. God, how do you even function with that much dead weight? Ask your parents. Whoa, clean up on aisle 1, guys, clean up. Wow, you should give me your best comeback in the comments and stuff, and click on screen for more videos, because you might like that one too. Thanks.